Hey there. I want to talk to you about something really important. For anyone who's ever felt shattered, like the pieces of your life just won't fit back together, I need you to hear this loud and clear. You are not broken. You're becoming. Think about it. Every scar you carry, every crack in your heart, isn't a sign of weakness. It's a testament to your journey. It's a map of where you've been and the battles you've survived. Those moments of pain, they weren't there to destroy you. They were there to teach you, to carve you into the person you were meant to be. Every setback built a new layer of strength you didn't even know you had. Remember the times you thought you couldn't go on? But you did. You got up, you took another breath, and you took another step. That's not brokenness. That's resilience. That's the first light of dawn after the longest night. You see, life is a process of becoming. It's like a beautiful piece of pottery shaped by the pressure of the artist's hands, fired in the hottest kiln. It might get chipped, it might even break, but then it's pieced back together with gold, a technique called kintsugi, making it even more beautiful and more valuable than it was before. That's you. Your flaws, your past hurts, they are the golden seams that make you uniquely, breathtakingly you. You came this far for a reason. All the laughter, all the tears, all the struggles, and all the triumphs have led you right here to this moment. You are not a collection of your past mistakes. You are a masterpiece in progress. The person you were yesterday is not the person you are today. And the person you are today is just a glimpse of the incredible person you are becoming tomorrow. Embrace the journey. Honor the process. Give yourself grace. The world doesn't need a perfect you. It needs the real you, the evolving you, the you that is constantly growing and learning. So please, stop looking in the mirror and seeing something that needs to be fixed. Look in the mirror and see a warrior, a survivor, a work of art in motion. You're not broken. You're just on your way to becoming. Follow for more uplifting stories. www.shereallyheals.com